Hi, I'm Dr. Cynthia Clark, acupuncture physician, applied clinical nutritionist, creator of Energy Evolution, and president of Longevity Wellness. And I'm here with Natalia Garcia, a registered dietitian, and she's going to talk about cravings and overgrowth, especially things like Candida. And I know that you've researched this, so I'm delighted to have her in her expert role because she led us all through a Candida cleanse earlier this year. So
Thank you. Yes, through the functional medicine lens that I operate by, it's important to know that you may be very into making changes. However, sometimes you will really experience an intense craving for specific foods. And that is because your gut, unfortunately, is out of balance. And this is very common. It can happen due to stress. It can happen due to certain medications like antibiotics. It can also happen because of sitting too much and not being actively enough for your gastrointestinal system to be in balance. Because believe it or not, your gut, if you flatten it out, it's the size of a tennis court. So if you're sitting for 8 hours a day and you're not moving, unfortunately, it's not going to happen for you. So it's important that if you're going to participate in this program, you and I talk about some way of movement, because that will give enough oxygen and blood to the gut so that the bugs that need to be in balance are in balance. So we can have the best supplements for you and the best food. And I need you to know that movement, it's a big part of this, as well as muscle, because all these really impact the species that we have. So when you experience intense cravings, that is an indicator that there's yeast overgrowth, which is very, very common. I see it at 8 out of 10 people that I work with. So we have very specific protocols to cleanse your gut from this candida and other overgrowths that pretty much are taking over you from the inside out, and that don't allow you to make the right decisions when it comes to sticking to a program. And this is what this is all about. This is a 10-week program to not be stuck in the way that you're at right now if you feel unhappy, so that you can feel comfortable in your own skin, so that you don't feel bloated or you're constipated or just abnormal bowel movements that lead you to not want to go and do something that you just really enjoy. So very excited for you to understand this gut hormonal and also brain connection as we work together.
And even a donut doesn't taste as good as feeling sexy does, right?
Very true. Very true.